Good morning my friends, I am Chandni and today we'll be doing a very basic yet effective morning yoga routine. This routine will set you up for a very productive, healthy and positive day. So without further ado, let's get going.
Let's start with Urdhva Hastasana. Start with a neutral standing stance. Raise your hands above the head and join them. Keep your core strong. There is no need to overstretch your arms. Be comfortable and breathe deeply throughout. Next up, Warrior 1. Go into a lunge position. Angle your back foot to 75 degrees. Make sure your knees don't go beyond your ankle. Lift your arms up and have your palms facing inwards towards each other. Hold this for 8 to 10 breaths, then repeat on the other side before returning to center. Warrior 1 is great for building strength in the lower body and core. It helps to strengthen hips, thighs, and it builds stamina. Next up, triangle pose. Start with your feet leg length apart. Stretch your arms out and place your right hand down near your ankle or knee and lift your left arm up to the ceiling. Look upwards too and hold for 5 to 8 breaths. Then repeat the same on the other side before returning to center. The triangle pose helps to stretch the waist and open the lungs. Next up, extended side angle pose. Start with a long lunge with the other feet at a 90-degree angle and hand stretched straight up. Breathe deeply and stay here for 5 to 8 breaths. And repeat the same on the opposite side. Take it slow and steady. This pose is an energizer for your whole body. Works on strength and stamina. Next up, downward facing dog. Bend down with your wrists under your shoulders and your hips up and move your feet back. Keep your knees slightly bent if it's hard to straighten out your legs. Press your palms down into the ground. Hold for 5 to 8 breaths. Next up, forearm plank. From the downward facing dog, get your knees and elbows on the floor and then lift your knees to get to a plank. Keep your core tight and breathe deeply throughout. Next up, cobra pose. From the plank pose, relax and get your hips down, palms under your shoulders and lift yourself up. Stay in this pose for 5 to 8 breaths. Last one for the day, child's pose. Sit on your heels and stretch your arms forward. Put your forehead on the floor and hold this pose for as long as you feel necessary.
I feel amazing. I hope you do too. Let us know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for many more such videos. Until then, bye.